I didn't get it. That was funny. That's not like Mama's milk, huh?
It is Mommy's milk in there, Bog.
This food thing isn't all it's cracked up to be, is it, Chloe? Has she actually eaten any of it yet?
I don't know.
She's been spitting it
It's
out.
too watery. I accidentally put too much. Here, baby. Mmm. I got a video. Do like a little short video on this one too.
Okay.
So I can